Online caricature competition, sketching sensitivity and satire. Type of challenge, architecture. Submission starting date May 15th, 2021. Submission end June 10th, 2021. Type of competition, individual. There are no group submissions. Prizes are opportunity of getting scholarships. First prize 1000 US dollars, second prize 750 US dollars, third prize 500 US dollars. The top 10 special members will get Global Shala merchandise. Chance to join our Global Shala community in any team you desire. The guidelines are the caricatures should be theme centric, i.e., impact of COVID-19 with a humorous quote. Each participant is allowed to submit one entry depicting a story through a maximum of 3 slides. Send in any one of these formats: JPG, JPEG, or PDF. Only original works accepted. No watermark. A short caption can be provided to explain caricature. Submissions before deadline is mandatory. Judge's decision will be final and abiding by all. FAQs. What is this competition about? Competition is about communicating impact of COVID-19 and world through humorous and satirical traces or caricatures. Who can participate? It's open for high school and college students. How to submit? Through registration link on our website. What are the prizes? Prizes include scholarships and Global Shala merchandise. What's the starting date? May 15th. End date, that's last date of submission, June 10th. This registration is only for individual participation only. To participate, register your name, first and last, email, country, age, your identifying yourself, which year of college you are in, institution you currently attend, and from where did you know about the competitions. This is the latest competition. Now let us see the second competition. Cook a Tale 2.0. Type of challenge is individual. Submission start May 27th. Submission end June 27th. Team size individual. Prizes include top 3 winners of Cook a Tale 2.0 will be offered a content writing internship at Global Shala, a globally renowned institution that provides scholarships and internships to students. In addition to a prestigious internship, the winners will also have the chance to avail Amazon vouchers worth up to rupees 1500. So set your creative juices into action and form the perfect concoction of magical recipes. For your recipe to be considered eligible for competition, participant must know Global Shala on Facebook and Instagram before sending their entries to us. The piece must not exceed 500 words. Only one entry per participant. It must reflect your creative vision very efficiently. You may have a creative and out of the box idea, but if you are not able to express it through words, then the essence of the idea will be lost in translation. It must be entirely in English. The characters must have names in any other language, but the primary language used in your text must be English. It must be on the topics given below. Conversation with your childhood self, future self, or with your role model. Don'ts. Do not plagiarize or have spelling and grammatical errors. What is this competition about? It is about writing a story in the form of a recipe using your creativity to maximum. Who can participate? Anyone can participate. How to submit? Through the registration link in the competition page. What are prizes? Micro scholarships, paid internship at Global Shala and Global Shala merchandise, and Amazon vouchers. 27th May is the started date of competition. Last date is 27th June. No, this competition is only for individual participation. The same way you have to register and proceed for submission. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here. And I have to announce one new thing. Dear sir, we would like to associate and produce more videos on YouTube. Our company conducts Olympiad exam across India. Olympiad exams organized by Indian Talent Olympiad are scholarship exam. These following the school syllabus. That is, I am having a huge collaboration with Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel. So let us go see the YouTube channel. It is this YouTube channel. In this, you will get details on Indian Talent Olympiad registration, the question papers, and more. They have 2.68 thousand subscribers. So please like and subscribe to that channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Special thanks to and Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel. See you in next video.